Welcome, dear viewer, to this overview of an exciting new home offering in the Oakridge Estates neighborhood of Shasta Lake City, the new home subdivision nearest to a boat launch on lovely Lake Shasta. There are just a few remaining lots on which we will be building, and this one is very special. It's an unusual and very private lot. So here is that lot highlighted for that main home, which is underway, and here is the site map. And then there's an elevation diagram available for this 1,572 square foot home, which is being currently built. And then we have a floor plan that shows the measurements. Of course, you can look at any of these illustrations more carefully in the photo section of the listing. But what also makes this very special offer available is that we are selling it along with the lot directly adjacent to the northeast. That is a great site for an auxiliary dwelling unit, an ADU, a shop, or even RV parking. Here are some floor plans that have been pre-approved for a city nearby that have the energy calculations and engineering already done. So you can find these on the web, and they're not the only thing that we could build out there, however, just to give you some ideas. We also have additional floor plans, and we custom build as well. So any of those things are on the shelf or on the list of possibilities for you to build here. So here's a look again at those two lots and how they fit into the subdivision. And off to your right here on this diagram, there's those two flag lots that are also going to be built on. As you can see, the lot is set slightly below street level, and in the back of it is an empty space that was supposed to be a retention pond required for the building of the subdivision. Haven't really ever seen any water in there in the dozen or so years I've been selling homes over there, but I guess it's all good just in case. But what it does provide is a level of privacy out your backyard where you will have a covered patio and a covered porch off there looking to the southwest. And so it's really going to be a great setup. So if you need more information about this or anything else about this great website or subdivision, please give us a call or give your favorite Shasta County realtor a call. Thanks for watching and have a great day.